Hey everybody, Shane here. So today I'm going to show you how to put on some insulated terminals on your wires. So here I have my kit of insulated wire terminals and I have my crimper here and we'll kind of go through that. But first we need to pick out which terminal we're going to use. I'm going to use one that I don't use terribly often so that I don't waste ones that I do normally use. They do have different sizes for them, so they tell you the gauges on here actually. So here it's telling us that yellow is going to be 12 to 10 gauge. Red is 22 to 14, and blue is right in the middle, so that's going to be your 12 to 14. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use this cable here. This is actually what you would use for like your heated bed or your main power cable between your power supply and your control board. So this, I believe, is 16 gauge. So on my crimper here, there's actually strippers, and it tells me the entire guide of what I need to actually strip it as. So we're going to go right here and pull that, and there it's stripped just like that. Now because it's a stranded wire, we want to twist it, make sure that it's nice and all together. We don't want any stray cables going anywhere, stray strands. We're going to go ahead and get our connector, and we kind of want to make sure that where the bulge is on this, it's just about that much wire there. Okay, so we're going to put this on, and if it's a little tight, it's okay. So we twist it on, and you can see right here I've got a little bit of the cable sticking out there. So we're going to go ahead and get our crimpers, and red is going to be right in the middle. So I'm just going to line that up right in the middle of where that connector is, to that upper neck part. So the lower part doesn't have any metal on it. This top part is where the metal's at. And you're going to crimp and squeeze down all the way as tight as you can. Then let go. So you can see it's pinched right there in the middle. Give it a tug, make sure that doesn't come off. And that's it. That's how you installed insulated terminals on your wires.